The T5 Programmable Thermostat is designed for simple installation and setup. With a large backlit display, it is easy to configure and program your preferred heating and cooling settings. The T5 includes features like setting your schedule, your way, and smart response, which optimizes your heating and cooling run times to deliver the right temperature at the right time. Easy to use. The simple instructions and large backlit display in either Fahrenheit or Celsius make it easy to program your selections and keep your home comfortable all week. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Your schedule, your way with 7-day flexible programming. Choose from day-to-day programming, just on the weekends, or set one schedule for the whole week. Number 2. Extra large backlit display shows the time, current room temperature, and your temperature set point simultaneously. No paging through menus for the information you need. Number 3. Smart response learning, learns your heating and cooling run times to deliver your right temperature when you want it. Number 4. UWP mounting system simplifies installation with uniform wiring and fast, easy future product upgrades. Number 5. Includes change reminders for air filter replacement and low battery signals. In the event of a power outage, your program is retained in memory. Number 6. The T5 7-day programmable thermostat will automatically heat or cool your home to maintain the temperature you like most. Number 7. The simple instructions and large backlit display in either Fahrenheit or Celsius make it easy to program your selections and keep your home comfortable all week. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.